This is the WARSUN keychain flashlight. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. They give you a little key ring right there that you can attach to it. USB charge cable, USB to USB-C, and hey, that'll fit on your keys real nice and convenient. Take a look. It's got a magnet. So that's kind of nice. Little clip on the back as well, so that's cool. You got a side light and a front light. And there you go, just like that. That's pretty nice. Charge port is hidden in plain sight on the back right over there. Little rubber plug on that right there. Let me tell you a little bit about it first. And then of course we're going to go ahead and test it out. So it's really nice and small, weighs only 1.5 ounces, puts out 300 lumens. Again, you have your front lights and your side light, and there's a whole bunch of modes that we're going to go over. This has a battery indicator. There's 4 little lights there that will show you the state of charge of the battery. The clip on here, you can clip that if you're wearing like a baseball cap. Clip it on your cap, and now you have a headlight. So that's nice and convenient. And again, you can put it on your keys like that. This charges up in only 1 hour and can run for up to 40 hours. And it's IPX5 water resistant. So let's go ahead and test this out. They made this nice and easy. There's 2 buttons there. First one is the flashlight. You have to hold it. Okay, because you see when you press it, nothing happens. So you got to hold it. It turns on. You see only one of the 2 lights is on. So you have a high, a low, and then you get both of them, and then both low. So there's like 4 different brightness levels just kind of going in a strange order like that. And it keeps cycling through. Okay, so again, you hold it, and you hold it to turn it off. Hold it to turn it on. 1 beam, bright, press again for low. Both beams bright, press again, both beams low. Hold it to turn it off, and you saw the blue there, that's your battery indicator. For the side light, hold that button, and you get the side light, high and low, red, and then red and blue alternate flashing, and you can see right there the 4 blue lights for the battery. And again, press again and it cycles through, and we'll keep doing that until you hold it, and then it turns off. And if you really want to, you can use the front and the side lights at the same time. Okay, front flashlight, hold the button, turn it on. That's high. Hey, not bad. That's pretty good. Now it's kind of a narrow beam, but it'll definitely see you around. Press again for low, and you still get some pretty good light out of that. The flicker is just a camera artifact. You do not see that in real life. Press it again. Now you got both beams high. You get a little bit wider beam that way, and both beams low. And again, it cycles around. There's the 1 beam on high, 1 low, 2 high, 2 low. Hold it, and it turns off. For the side light, you hold that button down, and there is your high and your low, your red, and red and blue flashing. And again, it cycles through, high, low, red, red and blue flashing. Hold it to turn it off. I'm going to leave it there for a minute, and we're going to light up everything. So you get the side and the front at the same time. I'll make that all the way at the maximum brightness. So there's your side light and the front light, and everything is lit up pretty nice. And if you want different modes, if you want the flashy or the red on that, you could do that. The red and blue and the front light still. Any which way you want to slice and dice it, you got everything. Well, that's just got a load of stuff in it, all in this little package. Let's turn it off here. A lot of stuff you have here. The side light, all the different modes on that. The front, you got 1 or both, high and low on both of those. Magnet on there. Clip on it. Clip it on your hat for a headlight. or put it on your keys with the key ring there. You can slip it in. There's a, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but right here you could put it there or on top, anywhere you want like that. So you got everything built into that little tiny guy just like that, that puts out really an impressive amount of light. When it goes dead, you simply recharge it. That's really nice. Once again, this was the WARSUN Keychain flashlight. And by the way, this is available in white or in black. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.